वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू. सर्वांचे स्वागत आहे आपल्या या SD अकॅडमी या यूट्यूब चॅनलवरती. आज आपण इयत्ता 8वी मधील 1.2 अँड्रेकल्स अँड द लॉयन या धड्याखाली असलेल्या इंग्लिश वर्कशॉपमधील सर्व प्रश्नांची उत्तरे सविस्तरपणे पाहणार आहोत. क्वेश्चन 1A. मॅच द फ्रेजेस इन कॉलम A विथ देअर मीनिंग्स इन कॉलम B. म्हणजे स्तंभ A मधील वाक्ये त्यांच्या स्तंभ B मधील दिलेल्या अर्थाशी जुळवा. 1. लुकिंग आउट फॉर. आन्सर C. ट्राइंग टू सर्च फॉर. 2. फेस टू फेस. आन्सर F. इन फ्रंट ऑफ ईच अदर. C. समॉन अप करेज. आन्सर E. try to be brave. 4. rage melted. Answer A. anger reduced. 5. be moved by. Answer D. filled with soft feelings. Question B. read the following sentences from the story. म्हणजे गोष्टीमधील खालील वाक्ये वाचा. 1. They were bound by law to obey their master. 2. The kind man bound up the lion's injured paw. 3. The lion bounded towards Androcles again. The word bound carries 3 different meanings in each of the sentences. म्हणजे बाउंड या शब्दाचे तिन्ही वाक्यात वेगवेगळे अर्थ आहेत. A. rushed forward. B. forced to follow. C. tied up. Put the correct letter A or B or C in the boxes according to the proper meaning. योग्य अर्थानुसार योग्य अक्षर A, B, C बॉक्समध्ये लिहा. 1. They were bounded by law to obey their master. Answer B. 2. The kind bound up the lion's injured paw. Answer C. 3. The lion bounded towards Androcles again. Answer A. Question C. Now translate each of the 3 sentences A, B, C into your medium of learning. म्हणजे A, B, C मधील प्रत्येक वाक्य तुमच्या मातृभाषेत भाषांतर करा. A. त्यांना त्याच्या मालकाचे नियम पाळणे कायद्याने बंधनकारक आहे. B. त्या दयाळू माणसाने सिंहाचा जखमी पंजा घट्ट बांधला. C. सिंहाने अँड्रोकल्सकडे पुन्हा झेप घेतली. क्वेश्चन 2A. फाइंड फ्रॉम द स्टोरी द अँटोनिम्स अपोजिट वर्ड्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. म्हणजे कथेतून खालील शब्दांचे विरुद्धार्थी शब्द शोधा. 1. काइंड म्हणजे दयाळू. आन्सर क्रुअल म्हणजे क्रूर. 2. पुअर म्हणजे गरीब. आन्सर वेल्दी म्हणजे श्रीमंत. 3. स्लेव म्हणजे गुलाम. आन्सर मास्टर म्हणजे मालक. 4. हाय म्हणजे उच्च. आन्सर लो म्हणजे खालचा. 5. पनिशमेंट म्हणजे शिक्षा. आन्सर रिवॉर्ड म्हणजे बक्षीस. 6. अनबाउंड म्हणजे अनियंत्रित. आन्सर बाउंड नियंत्रित. 7. टेंडर नाजूक. आन्सर टफ कठीण. 8. हॅपी म्हणजे आनंदी. आन्सर अनहॅपी दुःखी. क्वेश्चन B. फाइंड फ्रॉम द स्टोरी 5 वर्ड्स दॅट डिस्क्राइब द साउंड्स मेड बाय द लॉयन. कथेतून सिंहाने केलेल्या आवाजाचे वर्णन करणारे 5 शब्द शोधा. आन्सर मोन, growl, whimper, bound, roar, purr. Question 3. Write the reactions that followed each of the actions given below. म्हणजे पुढील क्रिया पाठोपाठ होणाऱ्या प्रतिक्रिया लिहा. A. Androcles did not like his cruel master, so answer. He felt death was better than serving such a master, and he escaped from the clutches of his cruel master. B. The lion looked at Androcles piteously, so answer. Androcles paused and then he moved very cautiously towards the lion and saw the lion's paw was wounded, sore and swollen. C. Androcles bandaged the lion's injured paw, so answer. The lion licked his arm if to show gratitude, which surprised and wondered Androcles. D. A hungry, ferocious lion was released into the arena, so answer. Androcles was filled with fear, but he showed he was not afraid. E. The lion reached Androcles and answer. Then it moved slowly forward. All its rage seemed to have melted, and it recognized its friend. F. The emperor asked Androcles what other reward he would like, so answer. He replied that he didn't want anything for himself, but he wanted the lion to be set free too. Question 4. Write in your own words 3 to 4 sentences about each of the following. म्हणजे खालीलपैकी प्रत्येक वाक्याबद्दल 3 ते 4 वाक्ये तुमच्या स्वतःच्या शब्दात लिहा. 1. The condition of slaves in ancient Rome. म्हणजे प्राचीन रोममधील गुलामांची स्थिती. Answer. Slavery in ancient Rome played an important role in society and in the economy. Besides mutual labor, slaves performed many domestic services and might be employed at high-skilled jobs. Accountants and physicians were often slaves. Greek slaves in particular used to be highly educated. Unskilled slaves worked on farms, in mines and mills. Their living conditions were miserable and their lives short. 2. Qualities of Androcles. Androclesचे गुण. Answer. I think Androcles was a very kind man. So when he saw the lion in pain, he did not think about his life, whereas he thought about the lion's distress and tried to help him. He was kind, cooperative, understanding, sensitive, brave, courageous, and friendly by nature. 3. Even wild animals can be our friends. म्हणजे वन्य प्राणी देखील आपले मित्र असू शकतात. Answer. Yes, even wild animals can be our friends because they have also feelings and emotions. If we help them, definitely they will not be cruel with us. They know how to give reaction to our action. If we treat them cruelly, definitely they will be cruel with us, and if we treat them friendly and affectionately, they can be our friends. Question 5. Narrate to your class any short story about kindness to animals or how animals can be kind to humans. Write down the story in your notebook. Give it a title of your own. म्हणजे प्राणी मात्रावर दया करणे किंवा प्राणी माणसाशी कसे दयाळूपणे वागू शकतात ही गोष्ट वर्गात सांगा व ही गोष्ट तुमच्या वहीत लिहून त्यास योग्य शीर्षक द्या. Answer. Title: Faithful Dog. Moti was a dog living with Pintu's family. It was kind and loving to all the family members. One day, Pintu's wife was working in a backyard, and Moti was sitting nearby and watching over her child in the cradle. When Pintu came back from his work, he saw the baby's cradle turned upside down and blood everywhere. He saw Moti lying quietly with blood on his mouth and body. He got so angry that he picked up an axe and hit Moti. The poor faithful dog cried out in pain and died. His wife ran inside when she heard Moti's loud cries. She rushed to the cradle and lifted her little son, who was perfectly safe and sleeping peacefully. Then she saw a dead snake lying nearby. Pintu came forward and realized that his dog had fought and killed the snake to save the baby. He realized his mistake, that he had killed his loyal dog without thinking. अशा पद्धतीने आपल्याला इंग्लिश वर्कशॉपमधील सर्व प्रश्न सविस्तरपणे लिहिता येतील. पुढील व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण इयत्ता 8वी मधील 1.3 ट्रीज आर द काइंडेस्ट थिंग्स आय नो या कवितेच्या सुरुवातीला असलेल्या वॉर्मिंग अप चिटचॅट ॲक्टिव्हिटीमधील सर्व प्रश्नांची उत्तरे सविस्तरपणे पाहणार आहोत. धन्यवाद. व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास नक्की लाईक करा, आपल्या मित्रमैत्रिणींना शेअर करा. जर चॅनलला नवीन असाल तर अशाच प्रकारचे व्हिडिओ सर्वात आधी पाहण्यासाठी चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा व शेजारील बेल आयकॉन घंटी नक्की दाबा. थँक्यू.